What did the projector do?
Yeah. Well,
IT's getting close enough that you're turned on.
I tried to do it.
Just went through a quarter volleyball. Good idea.
Okay, so you should be all set.
Replace lamp now.
That's nice.
Better change that before green light.
Yeah. It's only been saying that for 4 weeks now.
Are we sharing the screen?
Yeah, yes, it should be sharing.
So hello everyone, I'm Jake Williams, I'm project lead on Ascendance, and I'm just going to go real quick over the build that we have for this week. This is week 13 build. So right off, fix some of the buttons because we did publish this publicly onto our website, and I'll show that off here in a bit. Just quick, did a quick run through of the build, made sure that everything was ready for a public posting on the website. So right off, usual start, going through, we've got a now textured floor in the rock hallway area. The player also has the updated textures as well. And then I've added in our first melee pickup. Okay. So now we've got a sword. And now the door is actually open instead of us just walking through metal doors. We've also got text above the loot boxes, so they're more visible of where a loot box actually is, because I didn't even know where they were. And frames are dropped. So booting still works. Oh, it's gonna jump off with me. And sit back there because he disengaged. Another door that opens. And then the player comes across their next pickup, which is the crossbow pickup. Been eaten. So far, the warehouse is fairly well done. I'm very impressed with what has come out of it. It's really dark there, but it's actually pretty well lit on the actual screen. I've got another loot box on the way over, and I'm getting eaten again. So we'll go ahead and move into, there goes the frames. Move into the clone lab. Sword. Sword's just like going through the character space, which is always fun. So I know one of the biggest things in the clone lab was making it look a lot more destroyed, since this is one of our more finalized levels. I'm going to show off what he's got going on the upstairs. So a lot of the set design was kind of making objects covered. There's good kind of objects on the floor that are moving around in that. So it's got just static meshes and that just kind of thrown about, kind of chaotic, because this place has been kind of overran by people just running through it. Control. The blueprints room. got a bunch full on the desk. Should actually heal me. Actually, I have a med kit. So my health gets healed. There's just some more set design in the upstairs. That's kind of the build as of its current state online. So I'll go ahead and show off where that's at on the online presence of that. Right on our website, we actually have a teaser trailer that the production students did. I don't think I showed this one. So we have all of our social media sites pulled up at the end of the trailer. And this is just kind of a teaser trailer, just as it's stated. So this is just the first thing that players can pull up on the website. So also on the website, we have this button right here for downloading our current alpha test. And this was actually, we published the alpha news on Unreal Forums, as well as our Twitter and Facebook. And I know that we've had a couple people get on there and actually start testing and giving us feedback already. So that's been very interesting to watch. I know that our website, when we posted about the alpha, had about 1,300 views on the actual website. So we are getting attention, which is pretty good. And that's pretty much what we have for this week. So thank you all.
Great work.
Hello everyone. I am Eric Dutton, lead designer on Great War. Got some cool stuff to show for you guys today. We've been working on a lot of stuff that is really nice. I don't want to ruin the surprise for certain things, so I'm just gonna leave it at that for now. So we have the basic menu. This is gonna get a little bit. This stuff's gonna get a little bit of work this week. So this is gonna change a little bit next build. But when you get into the game, well, the first things you're gonna notice is we have animations in. Soldiers will actually
Dance.
they'll dance. That's their idol. They can dance if they want to.
You're gonna leave the work behind.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, they're not moving for some reason, which is odd.
So show the enemy.
Yeah, the enemies will walk. They all have walking animations now. The other thing that we've added, the other big thing, is new UI. So the UI now slides in and out. You can lock it in place if you want. What this is going to do when it's done is you're going to have control. It's going to show all of your units varied by class type across here. This will be a global control so that you can have global retreats or global charges like they did in the trenches. This is class-based, so any class-based abilities that only certain units are going to have, you can have all of your units of that type do those movements. And then you can also just select from here which units you want. So you always know, if I want a medic and 3 soldiers to charge, you can just grab 3 soldiers and a medic. It locks and unlocks, slides in and out. It's not currently functional, but it will be. The other thing that's going to be happening is the building UI is going to be switching to over here. This will, when it's done, vary between which building you have selected. It will have the unit types that are available, a visual cue of what's going to be being built, and the amount of time left before it's built. And again, all these things lock in and out. And don't know why they're not that's a lot of what we got done. There are a few other features that are being worked on, and we're hoping to have a presentable build being done pretty much by the end of today. And also, just so everyone knows, Nick and I will be presenting this game at SIP Fair on Tuesday. So come down, play the game, hang out with us. You know, come to SIP Fair. It'll be great. That's a great one.
I'm Anthony Parsh, lead programmer on Knickknacks. So this week, we managed to get a system we have been attempting to get working with our loading working. So the level editor in-game now works. Not perfectly, but you can get to it. There we go. So you can go through and
Make it disappear.
it was not doing that earlier.
Sure.
Either way, we now can leave levels with escape. And one that hasn't been unlocked. We also have the ability to go in and tell it to unlock.
As well as having the second world available.
That might not be good yet.
Might be.
I don't think I put those in there yet. So that's what we have programming wise. I will hand it off to Lawrence for what's changed in the social media.
Well, later today we're going to be launching our crowdsourcing campaign. And we've also started beta testing for the mobile app. Ta-da. You can sign up for the beta through the website. And from there you can be added, so you can download it. When you add it to the list, you get an email, which then allow you to download the game from the Google Play Store. But only if you're on the list. So check out the website. That's everything. We're going to be announcing on Facebook and Twitter when we launch the Indiegogo campaign. I need to talk with marketing first.
All right, hey everyone, my name is Adam Moore. I am the assistant lead on Oxygen. We do not have a new build to present this week. I was informed earlier this morning that there were no updates committed. And I'm going to be meeting with the team this afternoon to figure out what happened this week, what roadblocks got in the way, and get those fixed. So we will have a build next week. Any questions?
Okay, that's it. Unless anybody else has any other announcements or things they want to talk about, present. Anybody else at the SIP fair on Tuesday? Dylan,
Yes,
what are you doing there?
I'm doing a sentence.
All right, cool. So we'll have Ascendance, we'll have Great War there. Anybody else representing at SIP fair? That's it? All right, okay, fine. 2 out of 3 is pretty good. Huh? You're gonna be there talking about something else? Cool. All right, everybody, get to work. Let's have a really good, productive Friday.